In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make Facebook ad creatives that are almost guaranteed to convert, because we're going to hack other existing videos and repurpose them for our own product and our own niche. So a lot of the big names in the Facebook ads world who focus on creative, I personally think are a bit detached from what it's like for a smaller brand or, like a cost savvy brand to actually make creative. UGC creative is upwards of $100 a video, and these people are telling you to test 10 to 15 creatives, every week, which is just, unjustifiable. It's not something you're going to feasibly be able to do. And then part of their strategy is they're testing so much that, of course, they're going to stumble upon things that work well. If you're a smaller brand or you're trying to cut costs, you struggle with getting creative production, you want to be really making creative that is more, I can't say guaranteed to work, but has a much higher chance of actually working because it's based on something that has been proven that has existed before it, okay? So I'm going to show you an example of one I've actually done near the end of the video, but I'm going to get straight into the video and show you how you actually do this first of all, okay? So let's jump on the computer now and start doing it. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to come to Ads Library, and you want to have a few brands that you're following. These are not going to be brands in your same niche. You don't want brands using the same product because they're going to be too closely related to what you're doing and your market. If you repurpose a video that they've produced, your market's already seen it, and it's just not going to do as well. The market's seen it and the algorithm knows what it is. You're just copying, and that's not going to work. You want to go to other niches with relatable products. So if I have a supplement brand, I'm going to look at other supplement brands, but it might be for a completely different ailment, completely different market, but I just want to take what they're doing and repurpose it for my own audience, okay? Now, one thing I said market, I meant audience. Try and do brands that are in the same market as you, because there's cultural differences between countries. And if you take something from the United States, but your brand's in the UK, you can slip up and get things that don't work. So have a few brands that you follow from your own country, and look at them for inspiration. Okay, so I'm going to show you one now. Now, I'm not going to put United Kingdom because this actual brand, the video I want is an older video. It's not there in the UK, but normally you'd come in and put your specific country and start searching for their ads. So the one thing you want to do, first of all, you want to come to filter, and you want to come to the status and go to active ads. If you want to look at videos or images, you can do that as well. You can filter videos. So let's filter by videos and ads that are active. The reason we're doing that is if something is active, it is probably still working for them, because if something's not working, they're going to turn it off, okay? And on that point, these first ads that come up, this is the 26th of May, 21st of May, we don't know that's working. That's something they're still testing. We don't want to touch any of this stuff. You want to scroll down to the bottom, not necessarily the first ads. This was launched in August 2023, maybe a year ago. Some of the older ads might be out of trend now, or they've just been there long standing. They have the engagement, they have the machine learning on them. So it's working for that brand, but it's not necessarily going to work for you. Something that's 3 months or 6 months ago is a sort of good range to look at, but certainly 12 months is fine as well. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to watch a few of these videos, find a video that one, you like, you personally think it's creative. If something was posted on the 27th of August and they're still running it, it's pretty much working for them. So it's a safe video to take, but you also want to take ones that you like for your brand or that you think would be feasible to recreate. And the one that I've got here is this one, okay? So 4th of January, it's almost 6 months ago. So, that good time range is still running, so we know it's working. And I want to click on see summary details, see ad details, and I can show you. Let's watch the video actually, In fact, let's not watch the video. I'll just show you what to do, okay? So that's the video I want. Basically, it's a guy, he's the founder, and he gets asked POV something, and then he goes and shows all the ingredients and all the benefits of them. And then yeah, that's pretty much the video. So we want to take this. Now, there used to be a tool I used that would allow me to download videos from Ads Manager. It's no longer working, so I don't currently have a solution. What I tend to do is I just open this in a window. On the Mac, I do Command Shift 5, and I'll record the video and I'll play it, okay? I'll just screen record the audio, and then save that on my drive. So I'm not gonna do it now, but imagine I've just done that. I already have one saved in my drive. You then wanna come and grab the transcript of that video so that you can start, hacking it, right? So I've already done this. No, actually, I'm gonna show you a tool that's gonna allow you to do this. In reality, I might even just listen to it and by hand write out what they're saying, pausing and restarting. But I have, for efficiency, got an AI tool here. I just search one, right? It's not something I regularly use. Just search for something that's going to transcript videos, and you can do this too. Okay, so I'm going to upload the local file, and I'm just going to grab the video. Okay, I think that's good enough. So you can see I've got the transcript of the video here, and I'm just going to copy that and put it into another document, right? What you can do if you want to get it split out, you can manually just go in and split it out, or you can go into ChatGPT and say something like split out this video into the main concepts separated by a space. For example, mushroom, put a space. Okay, I could do something like that. You have your own ways of working with ChatGPT. And you can see it's going to lay it out much nicer for me, so I can actually come in and start hacking it, because that's what we want to do. We want to come in line by line and look at everything we've got. So like I said, I've got one that I've done earlier. And this is the script of the video. So the video goes, hey man, educate us about functional mushrooms in 20 seconds. That's the hook of the video. So that there's no real core desire. It's going to be a warmer audience, a more aware audience. But I think just if you have something on the screen, it's going to create enough curiosity that this will work top of funnel as well. Okay, so I've got, hey Cam, in fact, no, I've adjusted it. So, hey Cam, educate us about natural sleep aids in 20 seconds, right? So natural sleep aids, that's a core keyword on Google. That's who I'm going after. I'm going after people who are looking for natural sleep aids. I'm a premium brand, so everyone's looking for these pill supplements. They're cheaper. I'm going to try and take that market by, looking for a keyword. They're looking for natural sleep aids and introducing them something different. Looks different. It's a drink, which is not that common. And I'm going to get to educate you about all these ingredients, which the other brands aren't going to have. And I'm going to give you the info, so you're going to buy from me because you're like, okay, I don't have to do the research. Sure, I'm spending a bit more, but I know this brand is giving me that education. Okay, so hey Cam, that's my name. Obviously, basically this is a trend. This was like a trending TikTok thing, I think. Hey man, I think it's cringy, so I'm just changing it to my name. But you could change it to something else. Like I'm just showing you how you do this. So there's the intro. That's the structure. All right, here we go. Okay, I'm going to use that line as well. That works for me. And then they go into explaining each of the ingredients. So first of all, they tell you the ingredient name. They have a visual of the ingredient. I'll show you it at the end. They have a visual of the ingredient, and then they give you the explanation of the benefit of that ingredient, okay? So when I first started doing this, I started writing down the benefits of the ingredients on my website, and then I assessed it again, and I was like, no, hang on. The benefits they're giving are very, very tangible benefits. They're relatable to everyday life. People would not need to be educated to understand it, okay? So they're saying the benefit is flawless skin. They're not talking about like collagen or something, or I don't know, skin cells, which is a bit removed. They're talking about a tangible benefit that people can relate to. Flawless skin, regenerate brain cells, soothe stress and anxiety, okay, great for sleep, anti-aging. These are buzzwords that everyone knows. So I have done the same. I've gone magnesium glycinate helps you fall asleep and not wake up during the night. Chamomile has a calming effect. Okay, so I've done the same thing. I've given a tangible benefit. Anyone can understand. You would not need to be, you would not need to be educated in the market. This is just general knowledge. Apart from this one here, natural melatonin, that's one thing that maybe you would have to have a bit of knowledge with sleep around to understand. But in the UK, it's a hot topic. I mean, everyone around the world, it's a bit of a hot topic. If you're into your health, you'll know what melatonin is. You might not know the specifics of it, but you understand it's a buzzword, okay? So that's what we're doing with these. And I've just done the same thing for every single ingredient in my brand. And then when they say, very good, thank you, that's the person that's filming it says that. So I could say the same. I don't know why I've not put that there. And then I've added one thing at the end, which they've not got. So they just end the video there, but I'm going to go one more thing. You'll find all these optimally dosed in each serving of Dream. Okay, so I'm introducing the product at the end. You know, maybe some people think you want to introduce the product at the start. I'm making it seem as if it's an educational video. I have no ulterior motive. I'm just giving you free education about ingredients, creates curiosity. Then I pitch you at the end. Then it's the ad, okay? So it's a good way to swoop under the radar as well and make it just seem like it's an organic video giving education about health when really it's an ad, right? Educate then pitch. I think it's teach and pitch is the video format. It used to be one we used a lot back in the day. Now I use problem solution as my favorite, but this is teach and pitch as a video format, okay? And with the actual visual, this one I'm just going to completely copy the same. So let me show you it now so you can understand. Here is the actual video that they've made, okay? So it starts with the founder, functional mushrooms in 20 seconds. Have I got that? Yeah, the 20 seconds is there for a reason as well, right? 20 seconds, it's telling you it's going to be a short amount of time. So everything has a reason. But I'll probably put the problem in this thing, in this, what do you call it? Like in this bubble, rather than putting a repetition of the same verbal hook, okay? I feel like it's wasted real estate if you say the same thing verbally as you put in any text on screen. You want to have like a different thing, okay? So functional mushroom 20 seconds, I'll put something like sleep better or some desire that they're wanting, right? So anyway, founder on screen.
Hey man, educate us about functional mushrooms in 20 seconds.
All right, here we go. Lion's mane can regrow and regenerate your brain cells. Trimella can give you flawless skin. Turkey tail is the best thing for your immune system. Reishi can soothe stress and anxiety, also great for sleep. Chaga has more antioxidants than anything else on planet Earth, great for anti-aging. And cordyceps can give you all day long natural energy and boost up your sex drive.
Very good.
Thank you.
Hey man, educate us about...
All right, so these are obviously not guys that make ads. You know, the end is a bit wasted, but it's super like authentic and natural for that reason as well. But that's literally what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get someone to film me. We're gonna line up all the ingredients. I've bought the ingredients. And we're gonna walk down and I'm gonna just tell you what each one is, like I've got on the script, and it's gonna point at me as the founder, okay? Then what I can do, if this video proves to work, I can then change who is speaking, and it's an easy way to differentiate it, okay? I could use a girl, I could use an older person, which is more in line with my target market. I could use like a very fit person and get more of the gym crowd. Like, you want to use an avatar that represents who the people could relate to. This guy, he's in his like 30s, I would imagine, you know, seems like a nice guy from the UK. This is someone that you probably trust. Definitely looks like I don't know how to explain it, but like this, if you're from the UK, you'd be like, oh yeah, this is a guy that I would listen to. This seems like a cool guy. And I think I would get the same sort of vibe. Videos of me do well for the same sort of reason, probably, okay? Anyway, that is that one. And I showed you that I've actually done this with my brand as well. You know, I do it with other client stuff, but I can't show you. But I'll show you one I did with my brand that is actually the best video, okay? So here we have, oh, light's gone off, but here we have this brand. This is High Smile. They're a toothpaste brand, which they're really, really good for their ads. I've never tried the product, but they have really great ads. Go check them out on TikTok if you want to see the best ones. But essentially, they've got this video, and I just hacked it the exact same way and recreated it. So it's not even a product related to supplements, but it's just something that's like a consumer good, subscription, consumable type product, healthcare, and like a fun, disrupting brand, right? So let's watch it. Okay, so the first thing, they have a visual hook just to capture your attention, pulling out the ice.
This toothpaste will give you the freshest breath you've ever had.
Okay, desire, this toothpaste will give you the freshest breath you've ever had.
It's outselling Colgate toothpaste in every major retailer you can think of. Here,
some credibility, some more credibility, giving you like a USP. Hey, it's outselling Colgate, a brand everyone's familiar with.
why?
Here's why. That's like a core concept of this video. I'm going to give you the justification now. You've got me in, I'm interested.
It has a proprietary airless pump system, which means no more wasted toothpaste, so you're not doing this again.
Okay, so he's given a benefit, then he's showing the problem at the end, whatever. So I hacked that and I made the same thing. So the best video is actually me performing it. This is the second best version, but it's the same thing. So you can see the girls on screen.
Drink this before bed to stop waking up during the night. Here's why.
Okay, so she calls out a desire of the market. Drink this to stop waking up during the night. Here's why. We're going to give the explanation. But the other thing is, it's the same style of video. It's one person on screen presenting. There's no real B-roll to like different locations. There's nothing too crazy. Sure, they've got a little spin here, but like that's just added camera stuff to stimulate. The core thing is it's one person on screen, direct to camera, presenting, okay? And that's what we've copied.
Here's why. It contains 8 natural ingredients that give your body all the nutrients it needs for long and nourishing sleep. It's called...
Okay, so I'm basically just giving the same thing. I'm giving education and benefits. I stack them though. He gives 1, I give like 3. And then we have a call to action as well. But the same thing, we show the product on screen. She holds it the whole time, like he's doing. Obviously, toothpaste, it would be less visually appealing to have your toothpaste just holding a toothbrush with toothpaste on it. That's why he's holding the product. But we have a big glass of water, pink water. And this got so much hate because she's got so much water in it, but it's all engagement. Like it's stressful managing it as like customer management. Like it's annoying having to deal with all the negative comments on the ad, but it's getting engagement of everyone going, I would wet the bed if I drank that. Look, that's way too much water, blah, 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 okay? But it's triggering. But the actual product educates as well, and then you can handle that objection in the comments or on the website. And yeah, shows the product being prepared the same way what they were doing. You know, they were showing, yeah, he's showing them doing that. We're showing you how you prepare it as well. So on and so forth. Okay, so guys, that's really the end of the video. That's how you hack videos from other niches. Really start doing this. Have a list of have a list of brands that you think are really good. You know they have some credibility from what they're doing, from what you've seen in publications, and yeah, just start copying their work, because they're paying all the money for some expensive creative agency. They're paying all the money testing the ads. And then you're getting all that refined to see what's actually working for them. And you can go and hack it and apply it to your own brands, okay? So one more thing, guys. Actually, I've started a Telegram group. There's no one in it yet, but it's going to be a free Telegram group that you can ask questions. You can get help on your Facebook ads. So go check that out in the description, as I think I need to start building more of a community. And that's obviously one way to do it, okay? So anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in another video very, very soon.